Hello guys, welcome to our channel. This video teach you how to use your carrier mobile data plan to download an iPhone app from the App Store without a Wi-Fi internet connection. First, open your iPhone setting. This look like a gray gear icon located on your home screen. Then tap Wi-Fi. This option will be toward the top of the setting menu. Slide the Wi-Fi switch to off position. Tap the back button. It is located in the top left corner of your screen and it will take you back to your setting menu. Then tap cellular. This option will be right below Wi-Fi in setting. Next, slide to cellular data switch to on position. Then scroll down and slide the App Store switch to on positions. The switch should turn green. This option will be under the Use Cellular Data for heading. Press your iPhone home button. This is the circle button below your screen. It will be quiet setting and take you back to your home screen. Next, open the App Store. This App Store icon looks like a white A in the blue box on your home screen. Find the app you want to download. You can browse the featured app, category and top chart from your toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Start the download. Next, tap Install. Download the app as you normally do with a Wi-Fi connection with no Wi-Fi internet connection and cellular data enabled.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.